Okay, I need to cut off this piece. See you soon. Perfect. I had to clean that up a little. Okay, let's drill some hole. After the hole was drilled in the side, this is actually not it, I've already built it, was drilled in the side right there. I inserted this into the hole. Got out my E6000 and stuck it in here and glued it all. This little piece was sticking up, and I filled that all with the E6000 and let it sit overnight. I sanded both of these down until very smooth and then painted with the elephant gray. I then E6000 the base of the lamp to the new wood base that I just made. Used rubber bands to keep it dry. Let it sit overnight. And here you see it sitting, actually, sorry, not sitting, hanging on the wall where I had intended them. I did try them in other places, so they may not stay. And if I remember, I'll get pictures of them other places. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and to see more in the future, remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.